Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I've never even thought about doing this, but somebody wanted to write text, this wordage, this boy is a very happy little boy, all the way around this young man. Well, first what we need to do, we can go up to Windows, Dockers, and Properties and find out how long this curve is, and it is 19.24. I'm actually going to type that out so we won't forget it. Then what we need to do, there's no way, well, there is a way, but you can't just Control D that sentence and move it over because now it's two different sentences. So it's not going to text a path. You can't stretch it out. The only way I know how to do it would be the only way I knew how to do it would be to type it out over and over and over and over again. But what we can try, and it worked, or I tried it, convert it to a paragraph text. Let's make the box quite a bit bigger. And now let's take this wordage and Control C to duplicate it, get our text tool, and Control V to copy it. And then Control V, Control V, Control V. Now it ain't even telling us we're a little bit too close because I didn't put a space in there. So we're going to put a space between the two words. I don't know that that's enough yet. So let's get the text tool again one more time and Control V. Let's go ahead and go Control V again. And let's separate these. Now this is all one sentence. We need to separate that, and actually got two exclamation marks that I don't really think matter. So now what we can do, ironically, so this is all one sentence, but we can go to text and convert it to artistic text. Now it's all one sentence that I didn't have to type it over and over and over and over and over. But what we can do now is take the text tool and put it right here and hit delete. Put the text tool right here and hit delete. Now it's put, well, we need to do one more time to get the last word. So put the text tool and hit delete. Maybe twice. There we go. And now I need to put a space. So this is all one sentence. It's only 15.54, so I should have made it longer. But for the video, I'm going to do this. I'm going to make it 19.2. So now it's the same length or a little bit shorter. I'm going to take my text now, go to text, fit text to path, and put it on our path. And there you have it. Now it's a little bit jumbled up, but that's what they want to do. The only suggestion I would have, let's back up here, would be able to maybe to change these nodes, get the shape tool, select all the nodes. Yours will be visible. Let's do it by like 8. Get rid of some of the nodes. I think it's still going to look okay around the young man. But I just got rid of some of the bumps. Now let's go back to this text to path, put it on the path. And it's still going to be kind of unreadable, but regardless, that's what they want. And if you look at, we're a little bit long. So what we can do is take the shape tool and bring that in a little bit, kind of squeezing the text apart a little bit more. It takes, at least my computer, a while to do it. Maybe a little bit more. I don't know really why you would want this, because look at the boy, but that's what they want. So now I would select it all, go up to arrange and break the text apart, and then grab our lineage, move it out of the way, and nudge. And I've nudged the whole time, so I didn't have to worry about it. It is kind of cool in a way. I've never thought about doing something like that, and I don't really understand. Maybe they're doing another real picture. They just wanted to use this graphic to do it. So have to turn it into a paragraph text to put it all in one length. Because if you, let's just do it. Let's just type text to path. And if we Control C and then Control V and move it over with artistic text, it's two different texts. You can't, there's nothing you can do. I'm going to hit B, put them together. You can't go to arrange and combine them because it does that. That's the only way I know how to do it. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.